In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make custard ice cream and custard porridge as well. So let's start off by making our custard ice cream. So into a bowl, you want to go in with your milk powder and then you introduce your hot water. Now let's mix these to get a very smooth consistency. That is what you really want to achieve here, smooth consistency. We don't want any lumps or anything at all, just a very smooth consistency, and that is okay. Now let's set this aside and get a bowl to make our custard powder. So this is custard powder and it's flavored with banana. It's infused with banana, and I'm adding some room temperature water. One secret you want to know when making your custard ice cream is that you do not want your water to be too much. When you are mixing, it might feel a bit difficult, but don't worry, just mix, everything will come together. And now you go in with very hot water. I mean, the water should be boiling on the fire. That is how you get the perfect consistency, just like this. Make sure your milk from earlier, that is the hot water together with your milk powder you have mixed aside, is still warm. That way, when you add this custard to it, everything is just going to blend perfectly. At this stage, I added my sweetener of choice and also some banana flavor. That is because the custard itself is banana, so I just want to enhance it more. Yes, you can use any sweetener of your choice, being a sugar, date powder, date syrup, honey, but I use condensed milk as my sweetener. I'm now pouring in my custard and I'm going to mix everything to get a very smooth consistency. Making your custard porridge is not that difficult at all. You just have to know certain tricks so that it comes out better. You can see the consistency here is just smooth. Make sure the sugar is to your taste and the flavor is also to your taste. We want to put this into any popsicle mold or any rubber or nylon, just as you see. Tie this and then we are going ahead to just freeze this. And after about 7 hours or overnight, or as long as you can keep it till it's frozen, your custard ice cream should be ready. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and then you make your custard ice cream and you let me know in the comments how it goes. And I'll use this opportunity to welcome you all back to another video. So we are just going to go ahead and start to make also our custard porridge. It's pretty simple to make that. So let's get into it. Custard porridge. Here is our custard powder, and this is infused with some vanilla flavor. It's the checker custard powder. So into a bowl, I'm going to scoop or put in a reasonable amount of that, and then it will be in the description. So make sure you read the description to get all the details you need to make this. So after you get your custard powder, just add a room temperature water to this, just a little. You want to make sure that the consistency is thick. Even if you mix it with the water, it shouldn't be watery at all. So you can see that here it's a bit difficult for me to mix. Do not add water, no matter how difficult it is. Go ahead and continue mixing. Just scrape it from the bowl, and then you see that everything will just come together as you see on your screen. Now we add some hot water. I mean, it should be boiling from your kettle or your pot before you add it to it. If you don't get your water hot and your base is not a bit thick, you are not going to get a perfect custard porridge. So this is the secret and the trick you are supposed to know. Mix until you get a smooth consistency. If you feel it's too thick, what you want to do is you want to go in with some more hot water at this stage. Mix to get your desired consistency. You can see I'm adding in some more hot water. I'm going ahead to mix these to get a very smooth and then my preferred texture as well. This is just fine and it's perfect. At this stage, you can see the consistency is just nice, like any porridge. Yeah, you can see it's very simple to make. If you know your tricks, you are good to go. Now we want to add our sweetener of choice. I use white sugar. You can use brown sugar, date syrup, honey, any sweetener of your choice. Just use that. Also, you can use milk powder if you prefer milk powder. You can use milk, evaporated milk if you prefer that. Also, if you do not want your custard thick as you see here, just introduce some more hot water and mix to loosen it a little for it to suit your preference. So I'm putting in some milk. This is Peak full creamer milk. I'm adding this, and I'll go ahead and introduce some evaporated milk as well. You can add anything here. You can introduce some fruits as well. That is okay. Just do what suits your preference and mix these, and you can serve this with your bread. You can also enjoy it just like this. So I would say that basically the difference between the custard ice cream and then the custard porridge is that the freezing aspect, because from the process you could see that it's pretty the same, and then just that the ice cream would have much milk in it as compared to the porridge itself. So you can see that the procedure is pretty the same. I hope that you love this video. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel for more amazing content like this, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe. Bye.